muri Zimbabwe inzwe mashoko takona promise mukwananzi oyatira mashoko kuti International Parliament deploys team to investigate CCC recalls and honorable Scala. Do mashoko ari kubuda chinobva panapa na promise mukwana sarapinda muna uyu zvizere ndokuti bva subscribe like wotina on the bell icon ndokuti anoendera mberi achiti in light of the Citizen Coalition for Change's decision to intensify the unlawful recalls of its 23 MPs and senators, as well as the unjust and prolonged pre-trial detention of Honorable Job Sikala. These two cases took prominence on the agenda during the latest session of the International Parliamentary Union I.P.U. in Luanda, Angola. The I.P.U. being the highest parliamentary body globally addressed these pressing issues as the key focal points. The I.P.U. expressed deep concern regarding the ongoing incarceration of Job Sikala and the illegitimacy recalls of our MPs and senators. To address these issues, a team from the organization has been assigned to visit Zimbabwe and conduct a thorough investigation into the persistent persecution of opposition MPs and the flagrant disregard for the constitution. Do mashoko ari kubuda panapa achitaurwa na promise mukwananzi achiti aiwa panapa padeploywa International Parliamentary iri kuuya ichiinvestigata aiwa nhau dziri kuitika muCCC, nhau yekurikolo kwakaitwa maMPs eCCC anga ahwina avhoterwa nevanhu nenhau yaJob Sikala. Muri Zimbabwe tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi? Pinda mucomment section medu dzemafungiro enyu, musangano subscribe like chinotina on the bell icon. Tamuchora mabhidhisi anokupa pano paZim News Live.